Hey guys, it's Nat, so I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm excited that today I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial for you. A tutorial, I know, it's been so long. The closest that I did to this recently was probably just to get ready with me, but you guys deserve a tutorial. And you deserve more than that. You deserve a collab video. So I did a collab with this lovely lady right here, Frances. So we were both doing Valentine's Day looks with red lips, because red lips and Valentine's Day go together like hot chocolate and marshmallows. Side note, I'm still not over hot chocolate, even though December is long gone. So this is the look that we're gonna be doing today. So kind of fun, kind of sparkly, it has some pinks in there, and then we got the matte rosy cheeks, the red lips of course, and yeah, we're using the sparkly stuff that I love. The eye look is only using the Modern Renaissance palette, which I know a lot of you guys have, because when it was popular, everyone was buying it, and then I also bought it too. So we're doing a tutorial using it so you can bust out your Modern Renaissance palette. If you don't have it, it's okay, because now there's a million dupes, so just pick up one of those anywhere. And then we're using this really fun sparkly shadow that I like by Pop Beauty. It's one of their flash shadows, and I'm gonna try to persuade you guys to go get it as well. Alright, but enough talking about this look, right? I want to show you guys how to create it. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, so this is the finished looks. I hope you guys like it. You know, I had to try to incorporate glitter somehow, even though we did bold red lips. So like I said, this video is part of a collab, so be sure to go ahead and check out Frances's video. I'm going to be trying to annotate it somewhere here. It'll also be linked down below. If you're new, hello, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, all my social media links are down below, Instagram, Facebook, all that jazz, if you'd like to go ahead and follow me and talk to me over there. That's it for right now, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.